In this video, I'm going to show you an easy trick to make a dark mode toggle here in Google Sheets. Now, in a previous video, I've already shown you how to turn on the dark mode here in Google Sheets. But what if I told you that you can actually make a dark mode toggle inside your spreadsheet like so? So if I click on it, it turns to dark mode. If I unclick on it, it goes back to normal. Well, here's how to do it. So first, what we're going to do is to put in our checkbox. Now you can place this wherever you want. It's totally up to you. I think the most convenient way to do this would be at this part right here, which is the first thing you see within your spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and add our checkbox. Select your cell, then go to Insert in the menu bar and click on Checkbox. And there we have it. Now the default value of our checkbox, if it's unchecked, would be false. If it's checked, then it becomes true. Now it's important to know this because we're going to be using this in our formula. So our next step would be to select all of our cells in our spreadsheet by clicking on this corner right here. There we have it. Then go to Format in your menu bar and select Conditional Formatting. And here we have it. We have our range, which is our entire spreadsheet. Let's go to our format rules where we are going to be selecting Custom Formula is. Now in our custom formula, the formula that we're going to be entering would be equal sign. Then our cell range where our checkbox would be. So that's A1. And we're going to put it in absolute reference. So we're going to be adding our dollar signs before our column and before our row. And the next part of our formula is the equal sign, then the value of true. So that's our formula. Now for our formatting style, we're going to change the fill color to a dark gray for our cells, and our text color would be for white. So this is in contrast to the black, so we can still see our text inside our spreadsheet. Now if we click on Done and close that, if we click on this checkbox right here, and our spreadsheet turns to dark mode. And there you have it. Since the value of this cell has turned into true, our conditional formatting has turned all the selected cells into dark gray, and within those cells, all the text will turn into white. So even if I type something right here, that text will still be white. If I turn off the dark mode, it goes back to the default color of black. And there you have it. That was an easy trick on how to make your own dark mode toggle inside your spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.